In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Teams audio during a video call. If you've ever joined a meeting and realized no one can hear you, or you can't hear them, this quick walkthrough will help you sort things out right from inside the call. Let's imagine you're already in a Teams meeting. The first thing you want to do is look for the More Options button in the meeting toolbar. This is usually shown as 3 little dots in a horizontal line. You'll find it near the middle or right side of the bar where your camera, microphone, and share buttons are displayed. If you don't see the toolbar, try moving your mouse or tapping your screen so it appears. Once you've located the 3 dots, click on them. This opens a small menu with several options related to your meeting, like device settings, gallery options, and other call controls. This is where you'll find the tools you need to adjust your audio without leaving the call or digging through the main Teams app settings. From that menu, look for the option labeled Audio Settings. It might also appear as Device Settings or something similar, depending on your version of Teams, but you're specifically aiming for the place where you can manage your speakers, microphone, and other sound-related options. Go ahead and click on Audio Settings. When you open Audio Settings, a panel will appear, usually on the right side of your screen. This panel shows which speaker and microphone Teams is currently using. If you're having trouble hearing others, check that the correct speakers or headset are selected. If people can't hear you, make sure the right microphone is chosen. For example, if you're using a headset, you'll want to select that headset for both speaker and microphone, not the built-in laptop devices. After choosing the proper devices, speak into your microphone and watch for any visual indicator that your voice is being picked up, such as a moving volume bar. You can also listen for the meeting participants to confirm that your audio is now working. If things still sound off, try switching between available devices in the list until you find the one that works best. Once everything sounds clear, you can close the audio settings panel and continue with your meeting, confident that your audio is properly set up.